This video is going to show you how to assemble the Dexter e-trike. Your trike comes pre-assembled, packed in one single box. Main frame with rear wheel, basket, seat, front wheel, and accessory box. Using a box cutter or scissors, remove all the straps. Remove all the plastic locks by squeezing and pulling out. Locate the accessory box that has all the hardware and tools. If you feel comfortable with your skills to assemble this bike by yourself, use the step-by-step assembly guide and make sure to perform all your safety checks. Assemble the stem and handlebar. First, slide the rubber cover onto the stem tube. Attach the handlebar by inserting the stem into the head tube. With the LCD controller on your left side, ensure the wire harness is not twisted. After aligning the handlebar, secure by tightening the screws using the Allen wrench. Assemble the front fender. Unfold the frame until the hinge closes. Activate the safety lock, snapping it into place and turning the clamp until it is firmly tightened when you fold it all the way. Installing the fender to the frame. Locate the front fender and headlight from the accessory box. But first, remove all the screws from the fork using the Allen wrench. Insert the fender into the frame and place the screws by hand. Using the long head bolt, pass it through the frame, then to the fender bracket, and tighten the bolt to the frame using an Allen wrench. Tighten the screws on the bottom using the Allen wrench. Install the front wheel. For ease of installation, flip the trike over and gently place it on the handlebars. Remove the shipping plastic axle from the front fork, then remove the red brake caliper pad spacer and dispose of it. Before installing the wheel, remove the axle's protective cap. Insert the wheel between the forks. Place the wheel through the frame and make sure the disc goes into the caliper. Insert the quick release skewer into the shaft. Make sure the smaller side of the spring is directed towards the shaft. Then thread the axle nut. Tighten by turning the latch until you feel resistance, and then clasp the latch down firmly. The clasp wants to sit at a slight angle. By spinning the wheel, you want to make sure the brake pad is not rubbing the disc brake. The wheel wants to spin freely. Now turn the bike back to its upright position. Install the front basket and light. Remove the 4 bolts and washers from the frame using an Allen wrench. Move the cables to the side and place the basket in line with the holes. Begin to attach the bolts and washers by hand. Tighten the bolts using an Allen wrench in an X pattern. Locate the headlight and the screws in the accessory box. Using the head bolt, pass it through the light and basket and thread and tighten. Tighten the bolts using an Allen wrench. Adjust the light so that it does not disturb oncoming traffic. Connect the headlight cable. Locate the cable and pass it under the basket and the frame. Line up the external arrows and push it together without twisting. Tuck the excess cable into the frame. Attach the pedals. Find the appropriate pedal. You're going to use a 14mm wrench. Each pedal comes with a sticker identifying right or left side. Careful when threading the pedal into the crank. Tighten first by hand, then use the wrench to tighten it down. And the right pedal is tightened by going clockwise. The left pedal is tightened by going counterclockwise. Install the seat. Open the quick release seat clamp and insert the seat into the seat tube. Adjust the seat height so that when you're sitting on the trike, your legs can fully extend. Close the quick release seat clamp fully. For your comfort, adjust the low back support using the twist lock. Adjust the handlebar. Adjust the position of the handlebar accordingly to your size and comfort. Then tighten the screw using the Allen wrench. Make sure it is very tight. Using the rubber seal, insert it into the stem. Use a zip tie to secure the cable to the basket frame. Power on the bike. First, activate the battery by pressing the red button on the bottom of the battery. Press and hold the red button for 3 seconds until you see the LCD screen turn on. Cycle through the pedal assist level using the up and down buttons. Press and hold the upper button to turn the light on and off. Always remember to wear your helmet. And enjoy the ride with EMOJO!